Severe thunderstorm warning.
That adds to my collection.
So that sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, I like that. It's an awesome sound. Yeah, I'm going up to this one.
Weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, northwestern Allegheny County and southwest Pennsylvania, southern Beaver County and western Pennsylvania, southwestern Butler County and west central Pennsylvania, northern Washington County and southwest Pennsylvania, northeastern Hancock County and northern West Virginia until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was detected near Chester and was moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Chester, East Liverpool, Blackhawk,
That's normal for a severe
Beaver,
thunderstorm.
Harshville,
Yeah.
Raccoon Creek,
Well,
Park,
severe
Mount
thunderstorm
Cliff,
warnings, I think they have to have like winds to
Cranberry,
55
Moon,
miles per hour.
This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and cover windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National
I don't know.
Weather
Some
Service
severe
Facebook
thunderstorm warnings, though,
page
they'll say
or
like
using
destructive
Twitter
winds in excess of
Pittsburgh.
75.
Repeating,
And
a
sometimes
severe
it's in excess of
thunderstorm warning has
100.
been issued until
But that's rare.
6:15 p.m.
Yeah, but that's
Daylight
really
time in the
rare.
following county: Columbiana County, Ohio.
What?
Is that like tornado, like hurricane?
I mean, sort of, but sometimes.
Tornado.